XProtect Smart Wall enhances the ability of surveillance personnel to recognize, react to, and investigate incidents. In this video tutorial, you will learn how to define a preset for our Smart Wall. In the Properties pane for the Security Center video wall, we click the Presets tab. Smart Wall presets display pre-configured views that operators can select, or that appear based on event-based rules. In this example, we want to display video of the emergency exit when someone opens the door. So we'll click Add New. We've typed a name and a description for the preset, and now we'll click OK. With the preset created, we'll next select a monitor and define the preset view. In this example, we want the preset to display the emergency exits on the center monitor. So we click Center Monitor. Presets you create appear in the preset list. The preset we want is already selected. Now we click Edit. The Select View Members dialog box appears for this monitor. In this dialog box, we determine the view layout as well as the cameras we want to view. Let's click the Layout button to define the view layout for this monitor. In this example, we've selected the 2x2 layout, so we'll click OK. The 2x2 layout we selected appears with empty view items. Next, we need to place cameras in the view layout. These cameras can come from device groups, recording servers, and federated sites. In this instance, we will choose the cameras from the recording server by clicking the Recording Servers tab. Now, we'll drag and drop cameras to the tiles in the view layout. And click OK. The preset you created for the center monitor appears. In this example, we've created preset views for each of the monitors in our video wall. Next, we'll create event-based rules to trigger the preset. You just saw how to define a preset for our Smart Wall. Visit our YouTube site to view other tutorials in this playlist.